Hey guys, my name is Raj and you're watching TMP channel. For today's unboxing video, what we have right here is the Vivo V17. This is the 8GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage. The color we are having right here is the Admiral Blue, and in Malaysia, specifically in Malaysia, the price is around RM 1699. Well, as you can see, this is the Vivo V17. Should be very soft and smooth. Okay, open it. And this side, I guess I can just peel it off right from here. Okay, so we just push the plastic aside. Okay, let's open up the box. And here we have the Vivo V17. As usual, we have the same box. If you have missed our previous video, you can watch I'll put in the description, which you can watch from there. And here we have the Vivo V17 itself. Okay, we'll put this aside first. Let's see what we have in the box. I guess as usual, we have the USB Type-C adapter, charging adapter, few stickers, guide, warranty, some safety document, and wow, for the first time I'm seeing Vivo is giving this jelly casing for the Vivo V17, because the previous Vivo V17 Pro, they gave us the hard shell casing, I would say. It's like I had to use a lot of force in order to remove my phone from the casing. I'm assuming pretty much it will be easier than last time. Let's see. Okay, let's see inside the box what else we have. And first thing we have here is the fast charging adapter from Vivo. This is the 18-watt fast charging adapter. And then, wow, Vivo has included its new design of Vivo earphone, because the design looks similar to the AirPod. You can see here, looks similar to the AirPod. There's a earbud here. Well, we'll try this later on. Put this aside. Let's remove the phone. Okay, as you can see, this is the Vivo V17. It's a Admiral Blue color. And if you can see here, we have four lens. I'm guessing this is the main camera, I'm not so sure. We'll check this out. So we have the 48 megapixel as the main camera, and we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and then we have two 2 megapixel cameras, which is one of for the macro lens, and it's beautifully written here, Vivo. And on the front here, we have a large screen with the punch hole display. This is where it houses the 32 megapixel selfie camera. Okay, so now we have already power on. Can you see? So, well, this is Vivo V17. Yes, that should be it. I guess pretty much most of the things are same to the Vivo V17 Pro, but anyways, we will do a review session for this guy, as we said, 7 days after. Not to forget the earphone. I really like the design of the Vivo earphone. We tried this also. So I guess that's all for now. So we'll catch you in the next one.